So this was the second trade of 15th May, and this is Indian stock market. The stock name is Granules India. And in the previous day, analysis was similar like this. This is an order block. And although this up closing candle didn't touch this order block, but we can say that it is coming from this area. So no such hard and fast rule that it will actually tap into it. So, and then we have this engulfing type of bearish candle. So based on that, overall we are bearish up to this swing low. Based on that, we are bearish for the next day. That means our expectation is there will be a bearish candle at least reaching up to this swing low, and then after that whatever it wants to go, it can go. So based on that, we were bearish. And so this was the today's chart. This is the today's range. So first of all, we observed that it started from somewhere here, took some liquidity. I think it is coming from some 15 minutes. Some 15 minutes fair value gap, which you can see here. It started from here, and then I was observing it closely for the day, but I didn't find any fair value gap from which I can initiate a trade. You can see here there is no fair value gap visible here. Maybe small fair value gaps are there, but not prominent ones. Until this point, this type of area where we find some kind of fair value gaps. I think in 5 minutes time frame, maybe. I think this was a fair value gap, first one. So this was the first fair value gap, and then this was the second fair value gap. So the two back-to-back signals that the price actually wants to go bearish. So based on that, we took our entry from this fair value gap, and as you can see here, as the chart shows, the price never entered here, but actually it entered. It is all the ticks are not visible in the chart. So if you see this 394.65, so this was the 394.65. so actually this bearish candle did took this point, and so we were bearish from this area, and as you can see, just within one candle we achieved our target. I think in this is just 1 minute, and this was the next minute. So no, this one, this is the first minute and this is the second minute. So within 1 minute and few seconds we achieved the target, and so this was our second trade. So this was a 3:1, I think is 3:1 trade. So the previous trade was a break even, and then this one is a 3:1. So overall it was a profitable day. Thank you.